In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Slack in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself waiting impatiently for updates to show up, this quick guide is for you. It might seem like a simple task, but knowing how to efficiently refresh Slack can make a big difference in your daily workflow. So let's dive in. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the Slack homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Slack. This is your first step towards refreshing your Slack workspace. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. If you typically use a Google account to access Slack, you'll find this step pretty straightforward. Look for the sign in with Google option and give it a click. This is often the simplest and quickest way to access your Slack workspace, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is the central hub for all your communications and files within your Slack workspace. From here, you can access channels, direct messages, and everything else you need to stay connected and organized. But sometimes you might not see the latest updates right away. That's where refreshing comes in. To refresh Slack, all you need to do is press Ctrl plus R on your keyboard. This shortcut is a fast and efficient way to reload the page, ensuring you have the most up-to-date information right at your fingertips. It's like hitting a reset button for your Slack window, bringing in any new messages or updates that you might have missed. If you're on a Mac, the command to refresh is a little different. You'll want to use Command plus R instead. These keyboard shortcuts are designed to make refreshing as easy as possible, helping you to stay on top of your communications without any hassle. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully refreshed your Slack workspace, keeping it current and ready for whatever you need. Remember, using these keyboard shortcuts can save you time and help you maintain an efficient workflow. So, the next time Slack seems a bit out of date, just refresh and get back to work with the latest updates in view. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on refreshing Slack. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Make sure to hit that refresh button whenever you need to update your Slack environment. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day and happy slacking.